sure that your coffee has its sugar and cream. Your eggs are over easy, give a person like me. All that's missing is your morning kiss that used to be.
Dito ka tumingin. Dito ka tumingin.
You see the juice is sour. It used to be so sweet, and I can't help but to wonder if you're talking about me. We don't talk the way we used to talk. It's hurting so deep. I've got my pride, I will not cry, but it's making me weak. I'm not your superwoman. I'm not nothing that you can let down and think that everything's okay.
Oh, you feel like me.
Oh, yeah, yeah, only you. This rain is mine, gonna take it home. Never broken up, love from you to me.
Ano, buwagan.
I'm on my way through that rush hour, trying to make it home just for you. I want to
Tatayo ka, Bidi. Yung performance.
be waiting for you.
Pang-artista. Yun, oh. Ayan.
You're not hungry at all. Instead, you'd rather read the paper.
Para namang nawawala lang.
Want to talk. You like to think that I'm just crazy. When I say that you changed, I'm convinced I know the problem. You don't love me the same. You're just going through the motions, and you're not being bad. I'm not no pride, I will not cry. Still I can't believe I never could.
Laksa mo. Nani?
Everything's okay, I am only your mind. Only you mind.
E pala, ex-senadora sa likod.
Ano kayang salamin ko?
Nandun. Ayun, oh. So, ito naman yung bili. Ay, wag na. Kaya mo ba mo? Gawin mong headband. Bili gawin mong headband. Pa-headband, pa-headband. Yan, parang my Barbie there. I'm not your super. Ayan, ex-senadora.
And think that everything's okay. Boy, I am only human. Human. This girl needs more than occasional hugs. There's nothing of love from you.
Hindi mo nakikita yung ulo? Tama nakikita.
And you understand me. Some where you are, everybody sing along with me.
So. Magano? Ang matanda. Ayan, oh. Ex-senadora. Dito ka tumingin.
I need love. I need love. Love. Ate, pero bagay kay Pau Pau.
Mamaya na sandali lang.
Yes, DJ ako. Kamusta naman?
Ayun o. Teka lang, wait lang. Ay mo, bow.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you nga muna, thank you.
Bow ka muna kay...